All right. Part 2 of today's lecture. I meant to hit unpause, but I accidentally stopped recording. Okay. So part 2. I'm back here. I go to pull requests. This one here, I'm going to delete because this should be the same one. So I'm going to ignore that one. But he just made the pull request. I can see files changed. I look and go, yeah, that looks good. I go back here. Now, for me, because this is like the first time you made a pull request for this repo, I have to like approve the fact that, yeah, okay, it could run the checks. But I can look at the changes you made. I go here. I go, yep, that looks good. I say approve, and I can add a message if I want. There, thumbs up, approve, submit review. We'll wait for these checks to finish. They're going to pass. These checks check to make sure like all the code doesn't crash and all these tests pass and everything's formatted well. Nothing you've changed is going to break anything, so we just need to let the checks check. This is GitHub doing GitHub actions. This is just running some code to do some checks on the code and whatnot. So we wait a moment. I'm going to go back to my GitHub desktop. When you're done making the changes, like I was in the previous example, you go back to your main branch before you continue doing anything else, or whatever branch you're currently actively working in. Good, all the checks passed, so I'm going to go squash and merge, squash and merge. Great. It's merged, it's there. So now, if we go to actions, right here, it's running some other actions. It's doing one last check of everything, and then it's going to push to the actual course website. As of right now, if we go here, where is he chromosome? F5. It's still he chromosome. But in a minute or so, after things have run and got submitted to AWS where this is stored, this will be updated. But if you all go back to your GitHub desktop, and you go to main, and you say fetch origin, chances are you're going to see what I see. Oh, it's saying, hey, look, there's been an update. I don't know what's taking so long. It's saying there's an update. There's one change that I can pull. And let me show you here. If I go to my code in PyCharm, I still see he chromosome. I'm going to go pull that into my main. It's being weirdly slow. I don't know why. Maybe GitHub's having an issue right now. Who knows? And now I go here and boom. I didn't make that change. I know I did in the example, but I didn't accept my pull request. It was his. He made the fix on his computer. And now all of you should be able to go and hit pull, and that fix will be on everyone's repository. So this is the beauty and magic and elegance of GitHub here, right? So there, hey, we're all up to date. And let's go back to, so it says it's deployed. So let's see, F5. Ha-ha, look at that. The chromosome. So at the end of the day, look at that. Amazing. Yeah? There, okay. We're back, and someone else submitted a pull request. It's been approved. We're just waiting for the checks to finish. And once that's done, I'm going to squish and merge. Everyone should be able to pull, like fetch and pull from the updated GitHub repo. And everyone will have that typo fixed on their repo too. So this, I mean, obviously it should be clear at this point that GitHub makes it a nice, easy way for everyone to have a consistent version of the course content, right? Nice version controlling thing. There. Squash and merge. Oh, because I updated the branch. Fine. Okay, there we go. Now it'll do its thing. While it's doing its thing, I'm going to go and just delete this. I'm going to close pull request. branch. Okay. If I go back to GitHub Desktop, we will see I got a fetch. Fetch means check. Has anything changed? And then pull will be like, hey, there's been a change. You can pull. And you can check if the pull will conflict with anything you've done just to make sure, but for what we're doing, you'll all be fine. Pull. Oh, what was it? Where was the typo? Well, either way, it's fixed now. It's gone because we pulled and merged it into main. Huzzah. Look at that. Experts. And we go back to the course website. Actually, here, let's check the action first. Make sure it's actually finished deploying. Still running. Oh, it might take a moment. Sadly, we're out of time, so we won't see the instant it updates, but by the time you go check the website again, that typo will be fixed on the website, all thanks to you. And what's really cool too, is if you go to the repo page, you will see the contributor. Okay, this probably isn't updated yet. Maybe it takes a little bit, but hey, there you go, look at that. Look at that. The world now knows you helped make this repo a better place. Look at that. Just think, soon you'll all be here, right? And you can feel so proud of yourselves. It'll be fantastic. And you'll be GitHub wizards. All right, cool. We'll wrap up here.